Look at this place. It has been completely abandoned for years. But today, everything changes. There are tangled cables everywhere, and this massive bush is blocking the entire yard. What a mess. It's time to bring out the heavy tools. Time to get to work. These thorns think they own the place. Well, not anymore. Keeping a steady pace here. It's tough work, but every inch we clear reveals the true potential of this yard. Getting this close to the fence requires a lot of control. This trimmer has the power to cut through everything, but I still need to be careful with my movement. For the past 4 weeks, I have been poured all my energy into cleaning and restoring this property. This place used to be full of life, but after the owner passed away, nature slowly took over. Now there is only an elderly woman living here all by herself, unable to manage this massive cleanup on her own. Clearing these heavy branches by hand is exhausting, but knowing that someone is relying on me makes it impossible to quit. No one should have to look out their window and only see chaos and abandonment. Step by step, we are going to bring this place back to life. An old house like this holds decades of memories. It's painful to see how quickly a beautiful place can deteriorate when there's no one left to look after it. Working on this steep hill is a real challenge, but giving up is simply not an option. The lady who lives here spent her entire life creating a home in this place. Seeing it overgrown like this must have been incredibly heartbreaking for her. My goal is to make sure that when she steps outside tomorrow, she finally sees a clean, peaceful yard again. wasn't doing this alone. Having some extra help made a massive difference. While I focused on raking up the dry grass, we kept the engine running in the background to finish the rest. Seeing the actual ground after weeks of neglect feels incredibly rewarding. Some of these thick branches just wouldn't budge with the regular trimmer. It's heavy, physical work. But look at that view starting to open up behind them. Honestly, it's totally worth it. We are finally reaching the final corners of this yard. Getting everything leveled near the stone walls takes some patience, but man, just look at the difference. The ground is clear and you can actually see the house now. We are almost there. Raking up the last bits of dry grass is pure manual labor, and honestly, my back is killing me. But just taking a look around, seeing this ground completely clear for the first time in years, man, it feels like we just gave this home a fresh start. Even after the big machines are turned off, the details take time. Trimming these bushes near the old fence requires a lighter touch. It's tedious work, but looking back at how far we've come, every single piece of this yard counts now. And there it is. The job is finally done. But I have a confession to make. This isn't just any property. This was my late grandfather's house. And the lady living here all by herself, she's my grandmother. I spent the last 4 weeks doing this just for her. To see this place full of life again, honestly, it's the best feeling in the world. But this is just the beginning. The clearing is done, but we still have so much work to do here in the coming days to fully rebuild this place. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want to see how this property turns out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episodes.